All right, guys, a little dad joke for you today. How can you tell if someone's a CAD user? They're always shouting in chats, right? They always have the caps lock on. Kind of a joke, but also pretty much true. So let's fix that. So instead of having to have the caps lock on all the time, let's fix our default templates so that we don't even have to worry about it. So if I just grab my part file here, I'll go and browse for my templates, but I might as well just create a new part file and save it as a template and save over my default one. If I go to my settings in document properties here, there's options for all uppercase, right? And I can just say, for notes, for tables, for dimensions and callouts, always use uppercase. And, you also have the exclusion list here, right? And basically all that we would do after we make that change to update our templates, we could just save it as, right? We could change the type here to our template file, if I can see it. Please hold. Part template. There it is. Let's save over our old template file. There we go. Now we're up to date. You can see I actually have my template file open. So if I did want to make the additional changes, I could do that now also. But whenever we make a new part now, we should have that setting. Right, and for those of you who don't know, this is also how you could change your units and stuff too if you wanted to make a default change like that or add in additional custom properties or something like that. So hopefully this helps you guys. Have a great day.